I'm working out in the garden right now. As you can see, I'm hot and sweaty. I look awful. My neighbor yells over the fence and says, "Hey, be careful. There's a swarm of bees back in my backyard in the, basically they're weeds, but they are wild sunflowers." So I want to show you guys what happens when you get caught sleeping. I'm not prepared to have bees. I didn't consider even having bees, and now I wish that I was prepared and I had the box and the suit so I could do a Lead Farmer 73 situation and Lady Lead situation, but I can't because I'm not prepared. So let me show y'all what I am totally missing out on. This is my next door neighbor's house, and I am totally missing out on this. Can you guys see that? Can you see that beautiful swarm? I'm kicking myself right now because I was not prepared to be this close to even possibly have a swarm. Look at that. My neighbor said he's called the city to relocate, but I have a sneaking suspicion that they might just kill them. And I'm absolutely heartbroken because that right there is liquid gold. This is literally right over the fence. As you all can see, those beautiful young ladies and maybe some males are just living their best life. They are flying around and just probably taking advantage of the neighbor's wild sunflowers, which most people would call weeds because they pop up all along the roadside here in Texas. He's allowed them to grow up along his back fence area, and they've found a home. As I'm sitting here watching, they've found a home. As you know, bees swarm when they're looking for a home, and right now they're resting up until they can find a permanent location. And they are swarming around. Well, not swarming around, they're flying around. And I'm standing here like a nut, just enjoying them. They're all just having themselves a good old time. And you know the queen is there because they're all there. Man, I could kick myself. I actually went online and looked for everything you need, the catcher's box and all that, and I didn't do it. I was afraid, in all honesty. I don't want to get stung, but you get stung anywhere if you're outside, if you just so happen to be in a location where that happens to you. And I said no, but look at that. They're literally right over the fence. I'm kicking myself. Neighbors behind us who informed him that he had a mass of bees in his weeds. They probably all would be very upset if I were prepared to catch those bees. But man, can you imagine the honey? Oh. I'm bound and determined to stand out here and wait for the catcher to see what he does, because yeah, I feel the need to take the box from him. Yeah, let's see what happens. So do you all think that I should? I'm feeling like I want to, but that's the crazy in me right now. Cause I don't know nothing about taking care of nobody's bees. I've watched plenty of people. Homestead Heart, Lead Farmer 73, Lady Lead, a few other people catch them online, but yeah. I have a friend who actually does have beehives, but he lives in Europe. He's got like 5 of them. I'm not ready. But I might ask the question. Do you think I should ask the bee catcher the question? If he puts them in a box, should I keep them? I have to rush out and get the stuff, but I ain't ready, y'all. I'm so not ready. Ooh.